I am Eric Paul Tudzi, a former head of department for the Department of Land Economy, and also I happen to be the focal person when it comes to the organization of activities that have to do with NELGA. Around 2020, we wrote a proposal to the NELGA, through NELGA, and it had to do with curriculum development. And that was 11,423.48 euros that we needed by way of support from DAAD. In that, it helped us to undertake a needs assessment and be able to work on the development of the program content. Then we were also able to link up with stakeholders from industry, some locally and then internationally, to look at the proposed content of the program. Then we organized a workshop to validate what had actually come up. And I'm happy to tell you that the efforts have not been a waste, because what was intended initially is actually being achieved. We'll be having 2 female lecturers joining the department as a result of the input that DAD and NELGA have made. And so for us, it's a very, very great plus, and we want to encourage it as much as possible. We want to commend those behind this project, that it's been a very, very successful venture that we have gone into through your support.